This is the best punishment for those who do not obey the rules. Buka Kau is undoubtedly the strongest Muay fighter in the world today. He has swept away all the top fighters from various countries in his own way. The Japanese fighter Takayuki Koirimaki knows very well that he cannot defeat Buakaw in a normal way. But in order to maintain the dignity of fighting in his home turf in Japan at the beginning of the fight, he deliberately broke the rules by giving 2 dangerous kicks to Buakaw's knees to knock the Muay legend to the ground. However, what the Japanese fighter was waiting for was not the long-awaited victory, but the cruel price for his own actions.